The main problem with this approach, if we apply it to all of the images on our site, is that now all of our image files have the potential of being way bigger. So again, if we double the size of an image, both the width and the height, that's going to be 4 times the number of pixels. And so potentially that means it's going to be 4 times the size. If we look at our image logo, let's compare the sizes. Our original logo is around 5 kilobytes. Our 2 times logo is about twice the size, 9 kilobytes. Now, because this particular image is pretty small, it doesn't make a big difference. But over time, that difference can be cumulative across many images and across many users. So what would be ideal in this situation is if we could serve the low resolution logo to the people who have low resolutions and the high resolution logo to people who have high resolutions. And the most common solution for doing that is a JavaScript library called Retina.js. So if we do a quick search for this, it's right here. And as you scroll down, it gives us some examples of how this works. So it says that you use a normal image tag, and then if the browser has a high enough resolution, it will look at your server for a 2 times image, and it will replace the original image with that. So let's give this a try. I'm going to do a quick search for Bower in Retina.js to see if we can get a Bower package for this. Here we go. I'll do a quick search for Bower on the page. Now it doesn't have instructions, but if we did a quick search in the Bower repository for Retina, here it is. And so we can just use Bower install Retina.js. So let's go to our terminal, make sure that you're in the directory of your project, and we'll do Bower install Retina.js, and then we'll pass it the save option. Again, the save will add this to our bower.json file, so we don't have to do it manually. Okay, now let's go back to our project folder, and we'll expand the Bower components here. Let's expand Retina.js and expand the dist. So here it is. We have our JS and our min.js. And like we talked about before, we're just going to use the non-minified version because it makes debugging a lot easier, and we'll use an automator tool like Grunt or Gulp to minify this later. So now let's go back and look at the instructions for this. I'm going to scroll down here and let's check under the how to use section. So it says place the file on your server, include the script on your page, put it at the bottom of your template before your closing body tag. Okay, so let's just copy this, go back to our code. We'll go down to the bottom where we have our other script here for placeholders.js, and we'll put it right before that. And now we'll want to change the path. So let's change this to Bower components / Retina.js / dist, and then we'll do the Retina.js. Okay, we'll save this. I'm going to refresh the browser in our examples just to see if there's any errors. It looks like we get a couple. Let's see what's going on by going to the console.